Hello students, today we are going to discuss Social Study of Class 3, Chapter 13, Knowing Our Earth, second part. Please come to page number 102. We will start from globe today. A globe is a small model of the earth. It gives us a rough idea about the shape of the earth. It shows all the continents, oceans and seas marked on it. It also shows countries of the world. The globe is slightly tilted, just like the earth. However, we cannot see all the places on it at a time because it is a sphere. We need to rotate the globe to see all the places. Besides, we cannot carry a globe everywhere. Now we are going to read about map. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. In other words, a map is a diagrammatic representation of the earth. A map can be large or small. It can depict areas as large as the whole world and areas as small as a city. A book that contains a collection of maps is known as atlas. A person who studies and makes maps is known as cartographer. There are different types of maps which show different details. For example, physical map shows rivers, mountains, etc. Political map shows countries, states and boundaries. Thematic maps show distributions of rainfall, agriculture, etc. A sketch is a rough drawing without any measurement. You can make a sketch to show your friend the way to your house. A plan is a detailed drawing of a small area or building with some measurements and details. We make a plan for a school, house, shopping mall, etc. Now we are going to read about directions. There are four main directions: north, south, east and west. They are known as cardinal points. If you look at a map, the top of the map shows the north direction, while the bottom shows the south direction. The east towards your right hand side and the west is towards your left hand side. Next we are going to read about compass. Directions help us to find our way in case we get lost. They help us to locate places on the map. A compass or a magnetic compass is an instrument that is used to find directions. It consists of a magnetic needle that always points to the north direction. Now we have the GPS or global positioning system that is used for finding directions. Students, now I am going to discuss few question answers and objectives with you. You can see them on the screen. After discussing the question answer, I will discuss with you about map pointing. Students, now I will discuss with you about map pointing. You will buy physical world map to do your map pointing. In the map pointing, I will discuss with you today about continents and oceans. With the black pen, I have marked the continents. Over here you can see North America. Over here we are going to have South America. Over here we are having Africa. If we go a little bit down, we are going to have over here Antarctica. Coming little bit up, over here Australia. Next again we are coming here, we are having Asia. And little bit left hand side we are moving, we are going to have over here Europe. So you all know we are going to have total 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Now with the blue pen, I have marked the oceans. First you can see over here we are going to have Pacific Ocean. Next we are moving little bit. Over here we are going to have Atlantic Ocean. We are moving towards the north. Over here we are going to have Arctic Ocean. Coming down, over here we are going to have Indian Ocean. The only ocean which is going to be named after a country. Coming little bit down, we are going to have over here Southern Ocean. That means total we are going to have 5 oceans. The earth is having 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Students, you have to buy physical world map. Why? To practice down map pointing in your house. Because in your final term, you are going to have map pointing from world map. So better buy physical world map to practice in your home. So I think you all like the class. So now please read the chapter nicely. Do the assignment in your social study interleaf copy. Thank you.